Today, we will go over the long sound of the letter O. The long sound of the letter O sounds like O, O. This is the word oval. The word oval uses the long sound of the letter O. Oval. This is the word open. The word open also uses the long sound of the letter O. Open. This is the word ocean. The word ocean also uses the long sound of the letter O. Ocean. This is the word nose. The word nose uses the long sound of the letter O. Nose. This is the word toes. The word toes is another word that uses the long sound of the letter O. Toes. This is the word frozen. The word frozen uses the long sound of the letter O. Frozen. This is the word phone. The word phone uses the long sound of the letter O. Phone. This is the word go. The word go uses the long sound of the letter O. Go. This is the word show. The word show uses the long sound of the letter O. Show. This is the word bow. The word bow is another word that uses the long sound of the letter O. Bow. This is the word boat. The word boat also uses the long sound of the letter O. Boat. This is the word yogurt. The word yogurt also uses the long sound of the letter O. Yogurt. These are only a few words that use the long sound of the letter O. I'm pretty sure you can find some more.